Welcome to Awesome's Co-op. For more information, please visit www.awesomes.com.my. Awesome's Co-op is a web-based software application that can manage the information of the member, stock, sales, and procurement in the latest trend with user-friendliness. Awesome's Co-op is a subscription web-based software application that is affordable to any cooperative services industry. It can be accessed through any smartphones or devices. Procurement. At the end of the video, you are able to: first, search the procurement document. Second, print the procurement list and purchase requisition form. Third, add new procurement document into the list. Fourth, approve the procurement document. Fifth, update purchase order status. Sixth, create payment voucher to make payment of purchase order. Procurement. Procurement is a commercial document and first official offer issued by a buyer to a seller, indicating types, quantities, and agreed prices for products or services. The preparation and supervision of a purchase can be controlled and monitored effectively and quickly. Besides, the review and approval process of a purchase order can be done online. From the home page, click the procurement icon. Procurement list will be displayed. On the list, you can see the previous procurement that has been made. You can search the document by clicking the search icon on the right side. Search form will be displayed. Now, you can search by entering the appropriate information. Then, click the search button. The search result will be displayed. Next, to print the procurement list, click the PDF icon on the right side and follow the on-screen instruction. Now, I will show you how to add new procurement document into the list. From the list, click the plus icon on the right side. Procurement form will be displayed. Now, fill up the form. First, supplier name. To do that, you must click the search icon. List of business contact will be displayed. To create new business contact, you can go to the contact module, or, if the company is available in the list, you can simply add company name by clicking the hyperlink at the company name column. The information from the supplier name will fill up the supplier details, attention, date, GST identification number, telephone number, fax number, and prepared by. Next, procurement number. This section is to select the job code by clicking select job code hyperlink to add the job code to the procurement number. List of job code will be displayed. To add new job code, please go to job code submodule in setting. Now, you can add the job code by clicking the hyperlink at the job name column. Next, fill up the remaining sections. Once done, click the Save button. Next, to add the item of the procurement, fill up the Add Item form. You need to fill up all of the sections in the form. Once done, click the Add button. The detail of the item will be displayed at the procurement descriptions. To add more items, repeat the same step. Now, if you want to edit back the added item, click the pencil icon and make a change to the concerned sections. Then, click the Update button. To delete the added item, click the trash icon. If you want to edit the discount for all the added item, click the pencil icon at Discount. Next, fill up the supplier justification, payment terms, priority, and notice. If you want to attach any file, you can upload by clicking the Choose File button, and fill in the custodian, if available. At the Reviewed By and Approved By sections, choose the person within your cooperative that will review and approve the procurement. Once done, click the Save button to complete the process. new procurement document will be added at the top of procurement list. Next, at the procurement confirmation, you can see all the procurement details that you have just made. You can see the one who prepares the procurement here. For your information, you can update the procurement form by clicking the pencil icon. And you can delete the procurement by clicking the trash icon. Then, make change to the concerned sections. And at last, click the Save button to update. Now, the reviewer can approve the procurement by clicking the Approve button at the Reviewed by Signature box. Or, to reject, click the Reject button, and enter the reason. First of all, the reviewer must log in. Note that, only reviewer and approver that user select can approve, or reject the procurement. Now, I will approve. The signature will be generated by the system. Now, you can see the status of the procurement was pending approval. So, the approver can approve the procurement by clicking the hyperlink at the procurement number column. Procurement confirmation will be displayed. Now, click the Approve button at the Approved by Signature box to approve. Once approved, the status of the procurement will be pending purchase order submission, indicates that the payment to the supplier can be done. If you want to print the purchase requisition form, click the PDF icon at the top right side and follow the on-screen instruction. Now, return to procurement list. To update the status of the procurement, click Pending PO Submission hyperlink at the status column. Update PO status form will be displayed. First, purchase order status. If there are any changes to the PO status, you can update here. Now, I will change to pending payment, so that this PO will be listed in payable list. Second, payment voucher. This section is to select the check number when the payment voucher is issued. To issue the payment voucher, please go to Account module. Third, date of work done. This section is to key in the date that you update the PO status. Fourth, payment balance. This section is to show the balance amount that you need to pay to the supplier. Fifth, account code when the invoice is received. This section is to update the account code whether debit or credit when the invoice is received. To add new account code, you can go to the account code module at setting. If they sell the goods on credit, the debit will be inventory, and the credit will be trade creditors. Sixth, account code when the payment is made. This section is to update the account code whether debit or credit when the payment is made. Example, you already received the invoice from the inventory, thus the debit will be trade creditors. And the credit will be bank and cash in hand. Then, click the Update button to update the PO status. The updated PO status will be displayed here. You can delete the updated status by clicking the trash icon. And you can check the money owed by your cooperative to the supplier at Account Payables. Now, I will show you how to issue payment voucher to make payment of purchase order. From the home page, click on Account icon. Then, click on Payment Voucher icon. Payment voucher list will be displayed. Click the plus icon on the right side. Now, select Payment Voucher check and click Show button. Payment voucher form will be displayed. Then, fill up the form. First, click on the search icon at Payee Name to select the supplier. Payee list will be displayed. To add, click the plus icon at the Action column. In this case, I will select the supplier in the purchase order before, as the payee. Then, select Bank Description, fill in the required date, and check number. Then, click the Save button. Now, please click Purchase Order Number hyperlink at the Add Item table. List of Procurement to Alpami Sendiri and Berghut will be displayed. For your information, you can only select PO when the status is in pending payment. Now, select the right procurement, and click the plus icon at the action column. Next, fill up the amount to be paid, and invoice number. Then, click the Add button. And click Submit button to complete the process. You can check the PO status will change from pending payment to check issued after payment voucher has been issued. Now, open back the Update PO status form. You can see the current status is check issued after payment voucher has been made. In this case, the payment voucher issued before is for full payment. Then, you can update the status to payment made. And now, you can select payment voucher by check number. And fill up the date of work done. Then, click the Update button. The status of PO will change from check issued to payment made. Once your cooperative has already made a payment, and update the PO status, the procurement will not be listed anymore on the payables list. In the end, the purchase order will appear at the general ledger under their representative's account code. The end. Thank you for watching Awesome's Co-op. Have a nice day.